Let's say you have a regular laser pointer, the kind kids use to play with cats. But this time, instead of a few milliwatts of red light, your laser contains the full energy output of the sun. That's about 3.8 times 10 to the 26th power watts of power packed into a device the size of your thumb. You press the button, and the sun shoots out of your pocket. Before the laser even hits anything solid, the air itself is obliterated. This beam is so powerful it instantly ionizes air molecules into plasma. Not just hot, but tens of millions of degrees hotter than the core of the actual sun. The result? A tunnel of superheated plasma through the atmosphere, like a bullet path made entirely of light. The beam creates a straight line of total destruction, stretching for thousands of kilometers, possibly more. Now let's say you aim this laser at the ground, just once, even for just 1 second. You don't make a hole, you vaporize continents. The surface of the Earth boils away, rock becomes gas. A crater hundreds of kilometers wide opens up, and the temperature at the impact point exceeds that of the sun's surface. What if you aim the laser at the sky? That sounds safe, right? Wrong. If the beam touches the moon for even a few milliseconds, it will carve a fresh crater. It would be a real impact, the energy equivalent of several nuclear bombs. Keep the beam going, and you could even blast pieces off the moon, turning it into a source of meteor showers. In other words, we turn our loyal lunar friend into a cosmic shotgun. Someone might say, but what if we used it gently? Like for eye surgery or delicate industry? Here's the answer. Everything explodes. You simply can't tame this much energy. Even the most extreme filters couldn't bring it into a usable range. The result? Your surgical suite becomes a miniature volcano of light. Use this beam for more than a few seconds and you'll start seeing tectonic chaos. Earth's crust would tear. The mantle could breach. Volcanoes would erupt all over the world. In the worst-case scenario, you literally split the planet in half, like a basketball cut with a laser scalpel. And all because someone pressed a tiny red button. If someone owned this device, even without using it, the world would panic. It's not a weapon. It's a planet killer. Future wars might not be fought over oil or water. They might revolve around your little laser pointer. You might have to bury it 5 kilometers underground and pray no one ever digs it up. In the end, this scenario is a great reminder. Some tools are better off being limited. There's a reason we stick to milliwatt lasers, because even tiny ones are powerful enough. And if we ever built a pocket laser with the power of the sun, we'd face 2 choices: destroy the world with it, or never turn it on at all.